Host. Let's recap the secrets to elevating your journey. Begin with the art of packing with precision. Choose versatile, high-quality garments, use packing cubes and compression bags, and always prioritize quality over quantity. Host. For accommodations, leverage loyalty programs and credit card perks for upgrades and exclusive amenities. Time your bookings to take advantage of seasonal promotions and last-minute deals. Choose hotels that prioritize luxury, impeccable service, and bespoke experiences. Host. In flight, opt for business or first class for superior comfort and service. Utilize airport lounges for relaxation and productivity. Make use of airline loyalty programs and credit card points to upgrade your travel experience. Host. When dining, seek out local culinary experiences and reserve tables at renowned restaurants. Don't overlook the gastronomic delights offered by luxury hotels and resorts. Remember, luxury travel is as much about the experiences as it is about the destinations. Host. Finally, personalize your experiences. Hire private guides for customized tours, enjoy exclusive access to attractions, and always prioritize your comfort and convenience. Host. Luxury travel is more than just a journey, it's a lifestyle. And with these luxury travel hacks, you're well on your way to transforming your travels into unforgettable voyages of elegance and refinement. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.